A few days after having traveled roughly 400 miles from the hill country of central Texas out west to the rugged Davis Mountains, it was time to prepare my 2022 Triumph Street Scrambler for the long dip down into Big Bend State Park, a land which I'd only imagined through the videos of other explorers. Always important to be kind. But now, it was my turn. I would take Highway 67 from the Davis Mountains through the small desert city of Marfa, known for their strange Marfa lights and a vibrant arts culture. I'd then ride past the ghostly town of Terlingua and finally past the city of Presidio, snuggled up against the Rio Grande, at times literally a stone's throw from Mexico. By then, Highway 170 would lead me to my final destination of Big Bend State Park. And because I only had one day to make this trip, I would be grateful for whatever the open road would offer me. Though I didn't have much time, I knew I wanted to at least drive through the ghostly town of Terlingua, a small church which looked abandoned but in fact was used quite often, met me as I rode in and through the town and past a lone horse to head back out on my journey. miles passed by swiftly, and before I knew it, I was passing through the small, dusty town of Presidio on my way to Big Bend. Then, before I knew it, the Rio Grande was on my right, and it was as if the landscape around me had shifted beneath and above, as if the years, the centuries of history came flooding in. It was wondrous. I stopped to try out my new drone. What can I say? What could be said? Then it was time to head down the road to find a patch of dirt to ride on. I wasn't looking to break any speed records. I just wanted to feel the earth beneath my tires. After a brief break, the fading light told me it was time to head back to the Davis Mountains. And although I was not able to take in all of Big Bend, gratitude bloomed within me. The full moon illuminated the road ahead, and I thought to myself, life is good. I hope you all enjoyed the ride.